In this video we will make this facade. We will be using an adaptive type template for this. The first file consists of an adaptive file which is loaded into the second file that is a conceptual mass type family. Open a pattern-based adaptive type template and place 2 points at the opposite sides of the rectangle. These points are placed at the midpoints of their respective sides. Set a horizontal plane at the point. Place a point at the plane and assign an offset parameter to the new point. In the same manner, place a point at the other point and assign the same offset parameter to it. Both the points should be facing upwards, if not then change the rotation value of the point facing downward to 180 degrees. Another way to change the point direction is to create another parameter and write n-off equal to minus of offset and assign the n-off to the point. Join the 2 points with a spline and check the box is reference line to change the line to a reference line. Join the points with reference lines as shown here. Set a plane at the line and place an aligned dimension between the 2 points and create a new parameter. Make this parameter instance and make it reporting. In the same way, create another reporting parameter at the other side. So now we have 2 reporting parameters. A reporting parameter is the one that gives us the value when this file is loaded into the other file. Place a point each at the sides and change its measure from value to segment length and assign a new parameter. Make sure that the distance of the point is measured from the upper end for both the points. Join the points with a spline and check the box is reference line. In the same way, place 2 points at the other 2 sides and assign a new parameter and join the points with a reference line. Place a point and change the measure from value to segment length and assign a new parameter. In all, we place 4 points on each of the lines. These points are going to be joined by a spline to form a curve. Place more points as shown and assign new parameters. Place 1 point each near the ends of both the lines and make their NCP values such that they lie near the ends at a normalized curve distance value of 0.1. Place a spline curve at all the 8 points as shown and make it a reference line by checking the box is reference line. Join the points to form a closed curve and hold all the 5 curves and make them reference lines and create a form. Assign a negative offset parameter to the form. Make the positive offset parameter 0 to get a sharp edge on the outside. Create a form on the other half in the same manner. Join the geometry for the two forms and assign a material parameter. Create a new family conceptual mass type. At the ref level, place a rectangle and create a form. Hold the front surface and divide surface and change the number of UGrid to 1 and VGrid to 10 or 12. Go back and load the first family into this family and hold the grid and select the first family from the drop-down. Assign material from the Edit Types menu. The model did not work at first because some proportions of the geometry were not workable, and so they caused the geometry to fail. I made some changes in the proportions and reloaded the family into the conceptual mass. Change the height of the block to get a better form. Please like, share and subscribe.